guys, it's Kristin with APOKREATIONS, and today I will be doing this horse out of the Resin Mold Box because I just got some BondCraftor epoxy resin. BondCraftor was nice enough to send me both this black set as well as the bigger one. So the bigger one, the box was all kind of jacked up, but it comes with two 17-ounce bottles, the instructions, 2 pairs of gloves, some sticks, and then some holographic silver glitter. And this kit comes with pretty much the same thing, but it has a cute little holographic coaster. And then it also, the smaller kit comes with 2 of these. I think they're 50 mil. Then it comes with some more of the glitter. Ugh. 2 8-ounce bottles of A and B, the instructions, 2 pipettes, and 2 sets of gloves. So, I am going to be painting this. Let me get this other stuff out of the way. So I'm going to be painting this with the BondCraftor pigment powders, and this is what comes in the set. So I'm sure it's going to take me forever and 2 Sundays to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway. All right, let's try this again. Okay, well that didn't help, did it? Well, poo.
The workbench is ready, the sun's peeking in. I'm clearing the surface to let it begin. A wooden slab waiting, a raw piece of pine with a grain like a map and a rugged design. I'm heating the wax, let the amber flow deep, waking the beauty that the timber would keep. From a rough cut block to a polished gleam, I'm carving out pieces of a maker's dream. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, making a magic that's purely our own. From the wood and the resin, the wax and the flame, no 2 creations are ever the same. With pigments and glitter, we're making it shine, one piece at a time, in a handmade design. Now the tumbler is turning on the motor's slow hum. I'm mixing the resin till the bubbles are gone. A drop of the pigment, a deep ocean blue, swirling in patterns that are honest and true. Then I reach for the mica, a pearlescent streak, a shimmer of silver for the treasure I seek. With a dash of the glitter, a sprinkle of light, starts to dazzle like a star in the night. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, making a magic that's purely our own. From the wood and the resin, the wax and the flame, no two creations are ever the same. With pigments and glitter, we're making it shine, one piece at a time, in a handmade design. Just the weight of the tools and the scent of the craft, a little bit of art and a whole lot of draft. It's the cure and the cooling, the wait for the dry, the will it turn out and the let's give it a try. It's the grit of the sandpaper, the smooth of the seal, the soul of the person, making it real. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, design. Let the resin set, let the mica glow, watch the tumbler turn, steady and slow, in the wood and the wax, in the jewelry line. Yeah, we're crafting a life that was meant to shine.
Clear off the table, turn the ring light on. I've been dreaming of this project since the break of dawn. Grab a plain white tumbler, it's time to prep. Sand it down smooth, follow every step. The glue is getting tacky, the base is looking right. We're about to turn a vision into something bright. At APOKREATIONS, make it shine. Mixing up the mica, crossing every mic, crossing every line. From the vinyl winding to the final pour, we're giving you the sparkle that you're looking for. From the coasters on the desk to the cups in your hand, the glittery is channeling all the land. Watch the mica swirl in a resin sea, blue and violet shimmer just the way it ought to be. Got the rhinestones ready, placed one by one. Precision on the detail till the job is done. Got the vinyl cut deep, letters looking bold, turning every custom piece into creative gold. It's in the glitter rain, it's in the steady hand.
All right, so this horse takes 6.8 ounces. Ooh. Yep. All right, let's see how badly these came out. I was just struggling something awful with that. So, I mean, this one is just a coaster with holographics. Not too bad. But there's some weird stuff going on there. I don't know. Anywho, and I have lots of bubbles. Okay, let's try this one. I have a little. Whoop. Oh, never mind. Ouch. Sorry, I just hit my head. Ooh, I like it. Although, I have to say that this color and this color are really kind of similar. I will zhuzh it up, and so are these, but anywho. I will zhuzh this up with some markers. I like Leanne's much better. She had much brighter colors. Yeah, it's not too bad. And the orange didn't really come out at all. And I don't know why, but this one little section right here is matte. Well, actually, all of these raised ones are matte. That's weird. So are the inside of his ears. I don't know if you can see that. See? Yeah, I'm gonna have to zhuzh him up with some markers. But in the meantime, do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button. Hit that bell right next to the like button, and that will alert you to all the videos as they come out. So that way you get the notification. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of my horse, my majestic horse, galloping, majestic galloping horse wall plaque. So yeah, I will zhuzh this up and show you in the glamour shots. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.